a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fremont, or 26 miles northwest of Omaha, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 75 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include northern Omaha, Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Fort Calhoun, Nickerson, Kennard, Englewood, Bennington, Washington, and DeSoto Bend National Wildlife Refuge. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 0800 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, and Washington.